since I vlog. But today I'm vlogging because as you guys have read sa title natin for today, we're going to Korea. And I'll get ready with you guys. So pupunta kami Korea. And I've been very busy. Ang daming ginagawa sa school na I don't have time to really prepare. Last night lang ako nakapag-pack. Last midnight. And grabe. Although, sanay naman ako nagpapack kasi nga nagdo-dorm ako. So, medyo chill lang naman ako sa pagpack. But to think na wala man talaga akong parang isang araw na nakapag-prepare ako for this trip. That's so sad. Tapos, I don't know, siguro dahil super busy ko and super stress, na medyo hindi ko pa na-feel yung trip. I don't know, hindi ko pa na-feel yung excitement kasi, syempre nga, pagod-pagod pa ako and everything. Na parang that's so sad. Kasi, like, I'm 20 now, but like, the teenager Alex would be, like, super happy about this trip and everything. I mean, I'm happy, diba? Hindi ko din alam ano pinagsasabi ko. Sorry. But, yeah, I'll get ready now. I just finished getting ready. Is my fit? We're going to the airport. Sorry if narinig yun sa labas. Also, gusto ko lang i-add, if you tell this sa teenager Alex na very K-pop fan and kasi ako yung nagkasabi-sabi sa parents ko na punta kami sa Korea kasi nga K-pop fan ako. And ngayong natuloy na siya, pero medyo hindi ko na siya feel. Kasi ilang beses na rin na-delay itong trip na to. Pero every year na sinasabi pupunta kami sa Korea, so every year akong umaasa. Hanggang sa parang this year nung sinabi na pupunta kami sa Korea, parang wala na akong feel. Parang hindi na kumasa. Tuloy siya. Anyways, so yun lang ang sinasabi ko. Na if sasabihin niya to sa younger me, baka nagwawala na siya right now and umiiyak. Right now, chill out tayo. Parang another day, another going to school day. Another work day. But anyways, let's go! It's right now. We're at SM. They're buying extensions para sa mga charger namin. And I'm on the way to buy coffee. Thank you. I have glasses. Look. Is it cute? Na, design na lang. Kikita ba? Cute. I love it. Hi guys. Sa airport na kami. Naghihintay lang kami. Yung fresh ko pa. Kapatid ko ba talaga kayo?
Ay, ibigay ka pa.
Sumabra ka lang sa highlighter. Ay, sorry. Wala akong highlighter. It's the serum blush. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. Mamaya pang 5 yung flight namin. It's currently... What's this? And then yung sauce niya. Palit tayo ng egg. Ayoko ng runny. We're just waiting for our plane. Pati sa red mo.
Dito.
With my parents.
Gemini, born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to first that I got her. Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring day and night. Chasing all the many ways of Julia.
Sasagot sila. I'm done. We're here. Korea. Nas-dress na sila. Wait lang. Kala ko sinulat niyo na kanina.
Ay, kao.
Sabi ko nga asan yung videographer ko, nawawala.
Sensya na. Rahuna na. Kota na.
Pagod na sila.
Kota na. Kain na lang. Okay na? I'm so antok, guys. It's 12. Tignan niya. Tadadaan! Oh my god. The choice is already there.
So tired, guys. So ready to I am and we're so haggard. I'm so tired. Oh, check din pala po. Na-delay yung flight kanina. So, medyo late kami. But yeah, let's go. Is this the entrance? Parang it's closed. Where are the others? Bakit tayo yung nauuna? Enter. Kasya ba tayo?
Oo, sige.
Meron.
Meron. Wala na password.
Gusto na lang yun. Look. Ayan. Dito sila. Wait. Here kami. Paano ba ito?
Palabas po.
Palabas. Yung hila.
Ah!
Thank you po.
So, parang pangit na.
Palabas pala.
Oh my God.
Okay, mamaya na. Mag-room tour tayo later, guys. Paano to?
Oh, hi everyone! Wait lang, guys. Medyo haggard ako, ha? So, huwag niyo na ako papansinin. Okay, sige, pasok kayo. Dali. Huwag mo lapit, ha? Pangit ko talaga. Dito ka sa side na to. First, kapag kapasok niyo, may makikita kayo cabinet. So, we have this cabinet. And then, may mga free stickers sa baba dyan. Ayan lang naman. Tapos, kapasok mo dito sa side yung card. This is the CR. Although hindi namin alam paano buksan yung ilaw. Ang cute sana. This is the toilet. Nakikita ka? Hi, videographer! My brother, everyone! And then, very cute lang ng CR. And then, shower. Ang laki ng CR. I like it. So, paano kaya ito talaga? Ayun! Oh my God! Ayun! Na-figure out ko! Ah! So, it's the light one. So, light one. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Okay, I see. Okay, check. This is our counter area. Oh, may ref dito. And free water, I think. And then we have the bed area. Dito po si Anton. Ayan. Cute! Then this is my bed.
Sure, cute.
Wait lang, may kumakatok. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-house tour. Dahil may telephone kami. Ayan. Wait lang. And then I have a view here. And then this is my desk for my makeup. And then we have a couch lang here. And a TV. And come on, come on, come on. Let's see sino yung mga kumakatok sa atin. Sino yun? Ay! They give it. Say hi! Masakit. Masakit yung kapitbahay natin. Pero binigyan ako natin. Yun lang naman guys. Thank you Anton for making video kahit pagod na. We have a free snack. So, lalakon muna kami. Katas maligo ni Anton. Bye guys! Ito na go. Like go, go, go. Alis. Thanks so much. Bye! Guys, pumunta ako kina Mami para kuha ng socket. And then may na-discover si Anton. There's a balcony. Oh my God! Oh, pretty!
The ocean.
Oh my God, it's the ocean! It's the ocean, guys!
Sabi ka ako ng hello kanina. Hindi ko na may tao.
Annyeonghaseyo!
Nakita ko parang nabubuksan siya eh.
Yung?
Ito.
Ah, I see. Anyways, I'll give you guys a better view tomorrow. As you can see, oh my God, katabi yung kasi it's so pretty. This is my view. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna try the free snacks. Nandito yung TV, so I think marinig mo.
내 말 잘 들어라. 여기가 빨갱이 중국집입니다.
Ang hagal ko nga. Yung second. Tagal niyan to, natatakot na ako. Yeah. Why not? I think ito lang yung kakain ko tonight. Let's try the honey butter chip tomorrow. I'm done. Oh my God, scary ata yung commercial! Oh my God! And then I also have this one. And then this one. Tawagin natin si Antonio. Buksan natin lahat ng ilaw. Marinda lang tayo dito. Dito lang tayo. Guys, iniwan ako ni Anton. Tapos inopen niya yung TV. Ay, scary na sa TV. Oh my God, paano ko papasin? Sorry. Ikaw ba yan? Ka ba?
Bakit?
Hinay kita. Scary yung nasa TV. Natakot ako.
Naka-do not disturb tayo. Ay. Oh, TV.
Grabe tugtugan ito. Hanggang Korea ba naman? Dinadala? So beautiful. Morning. I'm gonna have breakfast. Ang daming tao. Yum, omelette.
Sa jackpot.
Try mo. Also boy. Morning! Medyo fresh na ako guys. Kanina hindi sa breakfast. Asa kayo sila mami? Oh! So pretty! Yung background ko I don't know where Sam and ate. Ayun, magkakasama pala sila. Say hi! Picture mo ako. Wala pa picture na. Good check!
Loading.
Say hi. Andun, nasa harap sila mommy and daddy.
Itatawag pa ko.
Daddy, say hi. Say hi.
Good morning.
Hi. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Waiting for the others.
For today.
We're doing real bike to explore Incheon. We're at Incheon, everyone.
Our longest bridge.
Let's
같이 모든 발끝까지 똑같이 가슴이 그 소리를 햇볕 아래서 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타
Thanks for pedaling. Hindi ko kasi abot.
Time after time
Tinanggal ko yung seatbelt ko. Tapos nag-lean na ako forward para makahelp.
널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It just better, it just good when I'm with you Alright, this feels good
Kaya smooth ang ano namin. Brake safe, professional driver.
It just better, it just good when I'm with you
Okay.
15,000. Cream, include.
Magkano ba?
We got the frames na pinicture sa amin kanina. I'll show you guys. Habang nasa CR sila. This is worth 15,000 won.
750
each. Ayan. Doon paano to? Ilagyan na lang natin ng dalawang speaker. And the other one, because we have two. I really love Sam's Flip. There's slush! How much is 3,000 won?
3,001 divided by 2, 120 pesos.
Paano naging 120 divided by 2? 3,000? What's that, mami? Oh, yeah. Guys, bumibili ako. Tapos sabi ko kay ate, kasi inas nila, anong flavor? Mami, tapos sabi ko, grapes po. Yan ba yung sinabi ko, grapes po? Tapos na-confuse siya.
Tatlo.
Tatlo po.
Ganun din naman sa atin.
Tatlo po.
Ako nag-English. Una, hindi ko pa siya maintindihan eh.
Medyo nakalimutan ko na kaya pa tayo. Yung thanks and to for ordering.
Ano, sa
So,
gulong.
how's your trail bike
May isang gulong.
It's like the, grabe guys, yung pampadyak nun sa amin, ang layo. Sam, gusto mo ba? Ano na lang, 1,000 won.
Hindi namin doon.
1,000 won for 3 sips.
Meron doon.
Doon sa store. 3,000 mo.
We're going to
Siguro, gagasisin ko pera ko.
Nami Island
50% for the
food.
food. And then 50% for the clothes. I never mind.
It's 2 hours
Ito may
drive.
keychains pa.
Yeah, souvenirs. Ako, 20% pasalubong. 20% for food. 60% for wants.
Malaki naman dalawa eh.
Ay, yung pinapalit ko.
Ilan man yung promo king Pilipinas mo?
Marami pepper.
$100.
Sa kanya pala kung pala.
Affiliate ka lang.
Kaya ano?
Opa? Hi guys, we're at the province right now. I'm gonna eat lunch. Six. I'm seated with mommy. Eat. Let's have lunch. Eating some G, of course. This is ano daw? Galbi. This is takgalbi. Ito yung parang specialty sa place na to. Yung sa BTS. Yung sa BTS, yung parang sports. Hindi. Yung kung saan sila nag-sports. Yung may floating, inflatable. Oo. I saw.
Hinihigan ko lang talaga nila.
Sa kimchi nila, ano yung puti? Wala silang ano. Omelette o kaya banana. Ano yung pata? Yeah.
Kami dito. Tomato.
Yun ang hindi ko alam. Nakikita ko lang yung mga kimchi. Another batch of.
So, nakalas namin mag-eat. And bumili kami ng souvenir store. Souvenir? You want souvenir? So, ito yung manatanggap niyo at friends. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ko papakita sa vlog yun. Baka meron akong mamiss na friend na isa. Tapos, baka isipin niya hindi ko siya friend. Merong souvenir store outside. We're just waiting for everyone. I'm so full. Yun guys, nawaldasan na po ng... Magkano yung slushy na binili natin?
3,000.
Eh di, nabawasan na yung allowance ko ng 18,000. No?
100.
Dito ako nag-bungee.
You'll see, so while walking,
Alright, this feels good. You and I think we got something special, and I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Alright, this feels good. You and I think we got something special, and I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Alright.
Oh my gosh! Ito ata yun eh. Ah! Dito nag-film yung BTS! Ah! We're finally at Nami Island! Oh my gosh! Nag-film dito yung BTS. Ayan na dyan o.
Video.
Welcome to Nami Island! I'm with my friends. And
Ay ka talaga.
Uy, mag-video. Bye-bye. Ano ba yan? Pinapagod ako ng anak ko. We're at Little France. Is this Little France? Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ay, saan tayo do?
Dito, parang yan, oh. Ito. Ayan.
kakanunod tayo, babalik ko no?
Parang, it's a nice place to take picture. Pero pagod na ako. Me, let me say hi. Guys, pumasok lang sila. Hindi kami sure kung pwedeng pumasok. Para lang magpalamig. Oh my God. Pero, pwede pa talaga pumasok here. Ooh.
The view.
The view. Shoo!
Grasshopper. Show them.
Where's the grasshopper?
There.
The grasshopper. So,
Oh.
Yeah. And another one is green grape. And then another smoothie strawberry.
cute. I'll stay here for a while. Wait, pwede sa loob, oh. Should be good. Ate, this is yours. This is mine. One moment. Strong. I like it. Thank you. Yeah. Let's eat, Mom. going back.
Picture ako.
Nasa... Ay, ito na yung exit. Ah, okay. Tingkahit ka. Tingkad. Si Daddy naman, Daddy. Ay, oh, si Daddy. Ayan. Dapat nakababa yung ano mo ulo. Come on. I'm so hungry, guys. Pwede ba dyan? Don't check mo nga what studio yan. Yeah, sige. Oh.
Edit it like that.
Oh my gosh, really? They edited. Okay, let's go.
I would have done that.
Eto na! Oh, ito yung ano, doll museum. I won't go there. It's so scary.
Doll. Pwede kayo papasok dito. Baka.
Oh my god, oh my god. Gagi, I'm scary. Oh my god.
Ay, sakto. Ang ganda.
Sige, katan nyo na. Ako yung kaya sa rin.
No, I'm scary. I won't.
Sige, katan ng konti.
I won't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nalobat na guys yung camera. Ay, oo. Dito na tayo mag-exit. Where's Sam? Call Samantha. Alam niyo yung mga TikTok video about... Oh my gosh! This is so cool! Oh my gosh! You guys are cute, but... Sorry po. Cutie, tapos tumawin. Ah! Yung mama mo galing na dito! Uy, tinatawag na tayo to. Let's go, guys. Ano na doon? Ano na doon? Ano na doon? Ano na doon? Nakakainis. Nakakainis. Let's go. Going to the church.
Shopee lang.
Pero walang ganyang tao dito, no?
Oo nga.
Kahit city na yung Incheon.
8 o'clock na. 8 o'clock na may wala na ba?
So, nag-stare siya. You're eating stew. Oh my God. Duck kalbi. Siya ito na bahala bumawas. Yum. Bon appetit. I'm so haggard. Look at their chopsticks. So thin. I love it. Thanks, Rafi, for the rings. I love rice. Oh my god. Why? Super. Hindi naman. But this. Akin yung sa'yo. Paano mo kakainin? Soju? Yeah. Papalam tayo muna kay Mami. Magkasoju sila, oh. Mami! Kami din.
Bawal bata daw.
Si bata.
Bigol kami sa
Paglaban nyo ba?
Oh?
Sumisata.
Oh.
Dito. Paglaban mo ate. Go ate, go ate.
Gusto namin ng tayo anak. Tayo bugod-bugod na.
We'll get one bottle. Yes. 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 Soju.
Your age is okay?
Happy. I'm 20. I'm 20.
Not teenager? Are you sure?
You're still so younger.
Kamusta dito?
You're making TikTok or
Just video.
just video?
I'm vlogging.
vlog?
Kamsahamnida. Good. Naiyak po agad. Our final comeback. We're done eating. It's currently it's 8. And look outside. Look outside.
Malapit lang yung hotel natin, no? Ano lang dito. Makalamig pa naman.
Going to E-Mart, but we're here sa hotel. Nauna na si ate siya si Sam kasi alam naman, pag matanda ka na, pagod na. Here's the E-Mart. Oh! What if may SIM card dito?
Meron, nakalagay. Tanong natin.
We're surviving without SIM card though.
I need to update. Namiss ko na yung tao. A lot of ice cream choices. What's the straw mo? You bought banana milk and what's that?
I don't know.
Mami, wait for Rose. Pero hindi ba na yung bako? 8 naman yung call time tomorrow, no?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, let's go. Ayun na. Good night, Mama.
Oh, nice one.
Bago? Oh, it's plenty. We're here na sa room. Oh! Hindi inayos yung...
Baka hindi nila nakakita.
Guys, hindi pinix yung bed namin. Parang hindi ganon. Kasi bobo.
Ito. Ay!